Hi, my name is Roger Weinerth, and I'd like to invite you to the Conscious Movement and Bodywork workshop. Basically, it's a workshop that synergizes working with bodywork, movement education, and consciousness all together. And what I mean by that, basically, when you look at the body, a lot of times in the past, when you look at the body, you look at this shoulder's dipped, or this side's dipped, or this side's working like this, or something's out of alignment, or this is what's causing pain, and this is what's causing the stress. And when we work on the body that way, it's really good to get the person mechanically out of what's going on in their body, but it doesn't always address the consciousness, or maybe how their movement got there in the first place. So one of the things that I've been really specifically doing over these years, I've been a Hellerwork structural integration practitioner for over 40 years. And I've been working with people to do body work and movement education and all that. And I've been really focusing on movement, where I'm actually one of the faculty teachers for Hellerwork and movement. And one of the things that you look at in movement is, does a person have a full range of motion? Does it go forward, middle, and back? Most of the people, when you look out there in the world, their bodies are like head first, they're in their computers all the time, and they're paying attention to what's going on out there all the time, always over there. So you see most of their motion is going forward. The other times, some of the people are actually what you call holding back in the world. They're actually, most of the motion is behind their body. Their arm never breaks the midline, so they kind of stay back a little bit. But if they go through the whole range of motion, as you see it like this, it's to go through the whole range of motion, it starts coming more from the center of the body and more from the core. So basically, when you look at movement, it's about realigning the person. It's about realigning the structure. So you can work all day on the body work and all that, but if people don't have some movement coaching, they don't realize how they're putting themselves in those conditions in the first place. And then when you look at the consciousness, it's like if I'm always hooked on over there, my body gets so hooked in it, it's like I'm still always in that anticipating, trying to get in this future state. Or if I'm always holding back from life a little bit, or whatever, if I'm more centered, it actually allows me to feel more centered, balanced, and present in myself. So this workshop is basically about seeing that. You start on the first day, there's a 14-hour workshop, it's a 2-day workshop, and on the first day you're put on video. In the video, you get to see yourself walking back and forth, and with the whole group, you get to see everybody, and you can start seeing there's certain characteristics that we do. Most of us don't really go through a full range of motion, so after a while, our body starts shaping to that. So you'll see the physicalness of that, and then you'll also see some of the character that's developed inside of you. You can actually kind of see a person's personality in their movement. And that's where we get all our body language from in the first place, like getting ahead in the world, holding back in the world, going 2 different directions in our body, all those kinds of things. They come up from feelings that we have inside. So I'd love to invite you to the workshop. If you want to find out more about me, go to my to my website, which is bodymindpower.com. Hope to see you there. Talk to you soon.